Hi viewers, welcome to Botany Point. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the theory of starch glucose interconversion, and this theory is given by Stewart in 1964. So Stewart criticized the theory of starch sugar interconversion. Okay, he criticized the theory of the starch sugar interconversion and he given the theory that is starch glucose interconversion. So in this theory he explained that the stoma open when the starch is converted to or the hydrolyzed starch is hydrolyzed to glucose 1-phosphate in presence of phosphorylase enzyme. Okay, here what happened when this is the case of when stoma open. So when stoma open, the starch is hydrolyzed to glucose 1-phosphate in presence of phosphorylase enzyme. Then what happened? This glucose 1-phosphate is converted to glucose and inorganic phosphate. Okay, in the presence of phosphoglucomutase enzyme and phosphatase enzyme. Remember. Okay, what happened here? Here first starch is hydrolyzed to glucose 1-phosphate in presence of phosphorylase enzyme. Then again glucose 1-phosphate is converted to glucose and inorganic phosphate in presence of phosphoglucomutase and phosphatase enzyme. Clear about this? So in this condition, okay, this is about the after this stoma open. Okay, what about the condition of when stoma close? This opposite process will continue. So what happened? Now what happened in glucose inside the guard cell? This glucose and inorganic phosphate both in presence of ATP and the enzyme hexokinase. Now glucose and inorganic phosphate in presence of ATP and inorganic phosphate, it converted to what? Glucose 1-phosphate, and again glucose 1-phosphate is converted to starch in presence of phosphorylase enzyme. Remember? Simple. So after this what happened? Stoma closed. Okay, stoma closed. Then come to about is osmotic pressure. So when inside the guard cell the stoma is converted to glucose 1-phosphate, that time what happened? Osmotic pressure increases. Okay, here osmotic pressure increases and also increases inside the guard cell. And also what happened? The pH, the concentration of the pH also increases, that is pH 7. Remember, when the starch is converted to glucose 1-phosphate, here osmotic pressure increases in the guard cell and pH also increases at the 7. Okay, and that time stoma open due to pressure and such processes. Then next, when stoma closed, at that time what happened? OP reduced, osmotic pressure reduced inside the guard cell and pH also reduced or decreases, that to 5. Clear? Here what happened? When the starch is converted to what? Glucose 1-phosphate in presence of hydrolase enzyme, and then glucose 1-phosphate, again then glucose 1-phosphate. Now what? Creates a pressure inside the guard cell, that is osmotic pressure, due to what? pH increases up to 7, and thus what? Stoma open. Here also what happened? When it reduced, when glucose 1-phosphate is reduced to starch, that time what happened? OP also reduced inside the guard cell, and also pH concentration also decreases. Simple. Okay, now come to schematic representation. Here, for your easy understanding, here the see how opening of stomata, how works? Starch plus phosphate in presence of phosphorylase enzyme. Okay, to form glucose 1-phosphate, then glucose 1-phosphate again converted to glucose 6-phosphate in presence of enzyme phosphoglucomutase. Then again glucose 6-phosphate is converted to glucose and inorganic phosphate IP, that is phosphatase enzyme. Clear? This is about the opening of stomata. Then closing, how it closes? Glucose plus inorganic phosphate in presence of ATP and hexokinase enzyme, it converted to glucose 1-phosphate, and again glucose 1-phosphate is converted to starch and phosphate, that is in presence of phosphorylase. So this is a big schematic representation which is given by stewards. Okay, clear? Here the same thing, the starch is converted to glucose 1-phosphate. At that time pH 7, that is phosphorylase enzyme. So here stoma open, and then again glucose 1-phosphate is converted to glucose 6-phosphate, that is phosphoglucomutase enzyme here help, and then glucose 6-phosphate again converted to glucose inorganic phosphate, that is in presence of phosphatase enzyme, and then here glucose inorganic phosphate, here ADP process also there. Okay, so in this process oxygen used, hexokinase enzyme also helpful for the conversion of the glucose and inorganic phosphate to convert the glucose 1-phosphate. Okay, sorry. And here this ATP is ADP adenosine diphosphate is converted to ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And again here what happened? Glucose 1-phosphate is converted to starch at pH 5, low concentration or decreased concentration, and stoma closed. So this is a video about, this is a schematic representation about the steward. So now next point is some physiologists are there who doesn't agree about two theories, our theory of starch sugar interconversion, and also this theory, Stewart's theory, is theory of starch glucose interconversion. Okay, why they doesn't exist? These are the some points here. So what happened? Here what happened? In guard cell of monocot plants doesn't contain starch, even they function like other dicot plants. Okay. Then second point is the stoma become closed in noon without any changes in the quantity of the starch. Clear? Simple things. The third point is the rate of interconversion of the starch and sugar and glucose is insufficient for opening and closing of the stomata. This is the third reason. Okay. And fourth one is the concentration of the CO2 or carbon dioxide is insufficient for activation of guard cell and change in the pH of the cell. Insufficient for that. Okay. Then fifth point is sometimes starch is converted into malic acid in place of sugar. So these are the 5 important factors which doesn't exist, or this for this reason some of the physiologists doesn't agree about theory of starch sugar interconversion and theory of starch glucose interconversion. So this is the third theory, and if you like this video, so please hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe the Botany Point, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.